It's time for us to supercharge our prompts by working with productivity prompts. And this section will show you how to use customized prompts to boost your performance and achieve greatness in various professional roles. Let's dive in and explore how prompt engineering can take your productivity to the next level. Success in different professional roles hinges on productivity. Effective productivity prompts can significantly enhance your performance and accomplishments. By integrating these prompts into your daily routines, you can optimize your performance and attain greater success. So, let's dive into different professional roles and see how prompt engineering can maximize outcomes and lead to optimal results. Teachers can use prompt engineering to design prompts that align with learning objectives, assess students' knowledge, and promote deeper understanding. Here are some exciting prompts for teachers. Now over here, I have asked the AI model to create a story that explains the water cycle from the perspective of a water droplet. And ChatGPT comes up with the title of a story, The Adventures of Droppy the Water Droplet. Then it starts telling me the story, once upon a time and till the very end. Next, as a teacher, I'm asking the AI model to design a science experiment that shows how plants grow under different light conditions. The title of my experiment, as suggested, is The Effect of Different Light Conditions on Plant Growth. Now, this is the objectives, this is the hypothesis, and these are the materials that I need for my science experiment. And along with that, the AI model also gives me the number of steps involved in the procedure: preparation, placement, watering, data collection, duration. And after that, it also encourages me to do some data analysis. And then there is conclusion and lastly, some additional notes that my students might need. Curriculum developers can create prompts that reinforce key concepts, support progressive learning, and facilitate meaningful assessment. Check out these prompts. Now here's a prompt. Develop a project-based learning activity that integrates math and history for middle school students. So, the model will provide me with the combo of a project activity based on history and mathematics. And then it will also guide me about the objectives, duration, materials, and also in how many weeks I need to complete the project. Here's a glimpse of what the AI model is capable of. In the next prompt, we'll ask the model to create a series of prompts that is going to tell the students about the process of writing a research paper. Here we go. So over here, you can see that prompts are categorized with their objectives. So for instance, if I want to select a research topic, this is going to be my prompt. Or if I want to formulate a research question or thesis statement, this is the prompt that the AI model tells me. So in short, you can generate prompts out of a prompt. Learning and development professionals can use prompt engineering to design prompts that engage employees, reinforce training content, and facilitate knowledge transfer. Here are some fun prompts. So it says, develop a role-playing scenario where employees practice resolving customer complaints. Now we have the objective of a role-playing scenario, and we also have some characters. And this is the scenario setup with a little bit of background about a customer who purchased a high-end laptop. And furthermore, we have a role-playing script as well. How cool! Create a quiz that tests employees' knowledge of company policies in an interactive format. So the model gives an answer. This quiz includes multiple choice, true, false, and scenario-based questions to engage employees effectively. Now, you can add more details about the company that you want the model to process. And by adding some details about a specific company, the model will generate a more relevant quiz. This is just to give you a general idea that the model is capable of generating a knowledge quiz based on company policies. Instructional designers can develop prompts that encourage problem solving, decision making, and application of new skills in workplace scenarios. For example, here's a prompt. Design a case study where employees must identify and solve a critical business issue. So over here, the AI model has given me an example of a company named Tech Innovate Incorporation. And then the case study begins with the background, objective, roles, and the step-by-step guide all the way to the expected outcomes, and final deliverables. In the next prompt, we will ask the AI model to create a step-by-step guide for employees for the knowledge base of using new software. And the output is divided into different steps, from introduction to the software, to logging in, and then all the way down to feedback and continuous improvement. Again, if you give more details to the AI model about the software, then it can generate more close outputs. Assessment specialists can create prompts that measure specific learning outcomes, ensuring the validity, reliability, and fairness of assessments. Check out these examples. So I asked the AI model to develop a rubric for assessing student presentations on renewable energy solutions. And as an assessment analysis, it gives me an output based on the following criteria: excellent, good, satisfactory, needs improvement. So now you can think of different rubrics for assessing students' work or presentations. Here's another example. I've asked the AI model to create prompts that evaluate critical thinking skills through real-world problem scenarios. Now, the AI model gives me a response by presenting me with different scenarios. For example, scenario number 1, urban development and environmental impact. Scenario 2 has corporate ethics and social responsibility, each with a prompt and a bunch of questions related to that scenario. Content creators can use prompt engineering to generate prompts that inspire creative thinking, foster innovation, and guide artistic expression. Here are some examples. So I asked the AI model to write a short story based on the theme A Day in the Future. It gives me an output about a story in a city of Neo Gaia, and the year is 2150. How interesting and magical, isn't it? Now for this example, I have used the DALL-E, which is included in the paid version of ChatGPT. But just for the sake of the example, I have created a prompt which says, create an illustration that depicts the emotions of happiness, sadness, and excitement within a group of students studying in a university. Now, if you look at this image, some students are happy, others are excited, and some are a little bit sad or numb. If you look at another image, which is more accurate, you will see that some students are happy, while some students are sad, and some students are excited. So you can get creative, and there are no limits to the artistic expression. Again, it depends on your practice with whatever you want to experiment. Game designers can design prompts within games and gamified learning experience, providing challenges and promoting critical decision making. Let's say I ask the AI model to design a game level for me where players must solve puzzles to advance. So the AI model responds to me with a step-by-step outline for creating a level. Now it starts with the level theme and setting. So the theme is decided by the AI model, which is an ancient temple. And the setting is a long-lost temple deep in the jungle filled with hidden chambers, ancient mechanisms, and mystical artifacts. And then, later on, the AI models also tells about the level layout, how the entrance hall is going to look like, what is going to be the objectives, and what is going to be the puzzle, and so on. Let's look at another example. I have asked the AI model to create prompts that guide players through a story-driven quest. So, the AI model gives me the output in terms of the prompts, each having its own objective. So prompt 1 says as you enter the village square, a frantic villager approaches you. And then with prompt 2, it goes a little bit further. Deeper into the woods, you find an old abandoned cabin covered in vines. It's interesting to look that each prompt has its own objective. And when you run this separately in the AI models, then you will get a more relevant, or let me say, a more chain of thought sort of an output. Research professionals can develop prompts that elicit specific responses or data, facilitating data collection, analysis, and hypothesis testing. Let's have a look at these examples. Now, I have asked the AI model to create a survey that gathers data on consumer preferences for eco-friendly products. And then it gives me the eco-friendly products survey. And it asks for age of the consumer, then the gender, then educational level, shopping habits, and so on. To further dive deeper into how AI models can be used for research and data analysis, let's look at another example that is based on a scientific study. Now, I asked the AI model to design prompts that guide participants through a scientific study on sleep patterns. And it gives me a set of questions that I can ask to the AI model itself by using the role play technique. So it doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing, your prompt matters. What you're going to ask, how are you going to ask, and what are the key phrases that you're using in your prompts. It all matters. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and of course, keep practicing.